Hi, I'm back. I put up my hair because I was just too hot. Happy Saturday, happy Memorial Weekend. I'm remembering my grandpa this weekend who was in the Navy, and unfortunately he passed away in my 20s, but we have a few servicemen in our family that are no longer with us, and he talked fondly of his service to our country, so I'm remembering him this weekend. So I thought I'd come back on here for a couple reasons. I wanted to show you a haul I got from the Melt Stash. I don't order very often from Michelle, but I do have some favorites from her. And then I just thought I'd show you a couple things in my house. My peonies I just got peonies yesterday. Trader Joe's has cut peonies. We can't grow them very well here in California. The climate is not right. And when Trader Joe's gets their peonies, you go and you get bunches. So I hope they'll have them for a few weeks because it's expensive, but I love having peonies in vases in my house. So I'll show you that because that's so exciting. And then I was going to show you my gardening table outside if we make it out there. So I got a package the other day. It came so lightning fast. Her customer service is exceptional. So I got, she's from Vandala, Illinois, and I got a couple that I've had before and then some new ones. So this is Walk in the Park. Walk in the Park is Sugar Cookie Royale, Roasted Pine Cone, and Lemon. So that kind of struck me as interesting and different with the lemon in it, and it is really good. Really good. You get the lemon, but who knew that roasted pine cone went well with lemon? You know, it does. This is one that I got two of this time that I've had before. This is called Amazin' Glazin'. It's a zucchini bread, glazed cinnamon donuts, and wild berry mousse. This is so good. Oh my goodness. It's so rich and creamy, and you get that wild berry mousse and it's such an equal blend of things. Very, very yummy. So I got 2 clams of that. Her prices are good. I got this for the first time, Sailor's Delight. This is a black currant absinthe, frosted juniper, and Ares, A-R-E-S. I don't know what that is, but this smells very fresh and very good. Just something kind of aquatic and not flowery, but really good. Sailor's Delight. So that's an interesting combination and wonderful. I got Paolo's Palace. This is, Palo Santo, Sugar Cookie Royale, and Toasted Marshmallow. This is also very good. I love that. You get a yummy toasted marshmallow in there that comes through very well. And this one is a new one to me, and I put it in my little hot plate in the kitchen yesterday. This is Sunrise Zucchini, and this is zucchini bread, hot orange Danish, and Amish harvest. This is really good. You get that yummy orange Danish, and everything comes through so beautifully. So I love that. And then I got a sample. I got a sample of Sunrise Zucchini also, and then I got a sample of Fiddler's Dream, and I'm not sure what that is, but that is so strong and good. I want to say this has Mac apple in it and maybe like a salty sea air, but it is yummy. So that's my little Melt Stash haul, and I thought I would turn the camera around and show you a little my peonies. I got 5 bunches of peonies. These are like kind of almost done. These were hardly even open yesterday, but just look how pretty those are. And here's another bunch right here. I just love them so much. I wish I could grow them here. Costco at one time had peonies, plants, unfortunately, and they were like $45. It died. It did not do well. And I have some more beautiful peonies here. And this is sort of my mishmash table. I'm going to turn the camera this way. Every season I do a different thing. So at Christmas, this is a Christmas village. This is the spring table right now. My mom gave me this plant for Mother's Day. This plant is probably 90 years old. This is like a piece of a plant that my great aunt and my great grandmother had. So it was really special that she gave me a piece of this plant. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but you can pull pieces of it off and it will separate out into another little plant. So, got my little Dumbo warmer I'm so in love with there from Natalie. And I got this very cute tea light set I found on eBay, which is not a warmer or anything, but super cute little beach chair. Beach in this, I got, no, an ice chest. This is an ice chest, yes. And then 2 little beach chairs with the little drinks. I love that. So I just put tea lights in there in the summer. And then I got my little marshmallow mug people out. So we've got our lemonade lady. And somebody on Mercari, just a lot of people knit these hats. This is my s'mores person who's, his eyes were covered, but this is a little s'mores hat and an ice cream cone and a little campfire back there. So I have different ones for different seasons, and I love that. And I'm just going to take you out and show you my garden table outside. There's Teddy, who's like, what are you doing now? Hi, buddy. Let's back up just a scooch. Hi, buddy. Say hello to the wonderful, shiny, happy people. Say hello. He's just the cutest. He brings me so much joy. Okay, we're going outside. We've got more beautiful peonies in the kitchen window. I just love them so much. And who has peonies in your region that you can grow? Very, very lucky. So this is my back patio that's just flourishing so nicely. I just transplanted some seedlings that are kind of like, what? But I have some cucumbers growing out of that pot. I transplanted the green beans that were growing in the house with the grow light. I have some sweet peas growing, just a mishmash, some tomatoes. My mom ordered this sign for me for Sushi. When Sushi, our bulldog, passed away, she ordered that cute sign for me. This is called, well, it's turmeric, and in Louisiana they call it hidden ginger. I got like a plumeria growing out of there too, but I brought home pieces of turmeric root, and again, they call it hidden ginger in Louisiana. It has the most gorgeous orchid type flowers. I brought these root pieces back here last July when I was traveling. Now it hasn't really, like, it is growing, but I think I need to feed it or something, because this usually turns into a huge plant with these beautiful looking orchid type flowers. So we're not there yet. I've got another plant that I brought back from Louisiana. I stuffed pieces of this in my suitcase. This is I think they call it a rickrack plant, but it's sort of probably in the Christmas cactus family, and it has beautiful flowers, but it's not Christmas cactus. It's something else. But I brought that home, and that's flourishing. We've got some strawberries over here and some peppers and tomatoes. And then over here, might not look like much, but I have this antique stove that I got from my great aunt. I'm in the process of cleaning that off. It's very dusty because my dryer vent is right there. I need to get one of those things that catch the lint outside that's not ugly. So I got my little antique stove, and this is my garden table. This looked like a horrific mess about an hour ago. It was all dirty. I found this cute, Home Goods had this cute watermelon vinyl tablecloth last year. It's a little muddy now because I was just planting, but I have my few plants there and some sunflowers that I transplanted that are hopefully going to be okay. And then I have, these are Kringle candle containers. So I just sort my seeds out in there. And there's some antique lanterns that I collected. And this is a family heirloom. If anybody knows about cleaning copper, this is a pot that literally came over from the old country. I want to say this came over from Russia with my great-grandparents. So it's very oxidized, but this is copper. And I don't know if I should just get regular copper cleaner, but this is I have another one in the house, but this is a pot that I think my great-grandmother brought over from the old country. So it's very special. It shouldn't be outside, but I need to clean it and then figure out what to do with it. So that's about it. Just nice. Finally, the sun's coming out here in California, and I just wanted to share some more wax and garden and outside joy with you all. So have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Bye.